Good morning, teacher. Good morning, English, please. My name is Tan. Today, I would like to talk about video V21, the principle of life. Realization instead of trying to eliminate darkness, problem solving in life, focus on introducing light, awareness, knowledge, positive energies as light expands darkness, naturally dissipates. Applications in life invest in learning, enhancing inner awareness, and creating a positive environment. This approach naturally resolve challenges. Thank you for your listening and watching. Pay it forward.